guys, my name is Sen and welcome back to CISM Philippines. So, you are interested to study in Canada. Now, how do we do that? There are two ways to launch your student permit application. One is the regular stream and the student direct stream. Now, before we talk about their differences, let's first talk about their similarity. Generally, both streams will require the following before you're ready to launch your application: an acceptance letter from a designated learning institution, a valid passport and travel document, proof of funds, and a study plan to explain the purpose of you studying in Canada. And along the process, both will require you a biometrics and medical exam. One of the key features of Student Direct Stream is that only citizens from the selected key countries can apply through STS. And these countries are China, India, Morocco, Pakistan, Senegal, Vietnam, and the Philippines. Now, the citizens from these SDS key countries must be staying in their respective countries if they want to apply for STS, while regular stream is open to anyone, and you can apply wherever you may be in the globe, even if you are already in Canada. Student Direct Stream is an expedited study permit processing program that allows you to get your student permit in as fast as 20 business days, while regular study permit application might take up to 16 weeks. And the Student Direct Stream are only open for post-secondary education and above, but regular stream is open starting from elementary students. Student Direct Stream applications are accepted through online only, while regular stream are accepted both online and paper. Now let's talk about funds. You must pay a full year of tuition fee if you want to apply under the Student Direct Stream, while you are only required to pay one semester for your tuition fee if you were to apply under the regular stream. A 10,000 Canadian GIC in a Canadian bank is also required for an application through STS and will only be accessible once you are in Canada. There is no need for a GIC under the regular stream. You will still need proof of funds to cover your living expenses in Canada. Now, for the language requirements, the regular stream does not require a language exam, while STS requires a score of 6.0 or higher in each skill for IELTS. You can also take a French language exam and score at least 7 in each band. So in conclusion, both the streams have their own advantages and disadvantages. You only need to know which one will work best for your case. That's it for today, guys. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.